I know what it feels like to make money and still feel trapped. Trapped in jobs, trapped in bad habits, and trapped in a life that you know doesn't match who God called you to be. And the truth is, day trading didn't just help me make money. It forced me to become disciplined. It forced me to face myself, and it helped me build a life with more freedom, more structure, and more purpose. This is how I went from trapped employee to profitable day trader. It's Faith and Fortitude Trading.
We don't chase moments, we build systems. It's process over profits and emotions. We trade with real wisdom.
What's happening, F&F traders? Welcome to Faith and Fortitude Trading, where it's process over profits. Here, we build faith, discipline, strategy, and stewardship, which leads to abundance. I'm multi-hyphenate Dion Jordan Jr. Let's lock in. All right, family. Now, 2 years ago, this channel was all about staffing and entrepreneurship. Today, it's still about entrepreneurship, but specifically, it's about day trading, discipline, and faith, with some great music by yours truly sprinkled in. If you ever felt trapped in a job, in the streets, or living a life that you know God never had in mind for you, if you ever made money but still felt out of place, and if you know you're capable of more but just need structure, then this channel is for you. At Faith and Fortitude Trading, we teach disciplined day trading, not excitement, not gambling, and not overnight riches. We teach structure, risk management, and mindset training. And before we ever get into charts though, you need to understand why this channel exists. Because I didn't take the traditional path here. Nobody chose me or helped me. In fact, I had to stop taking advice from and thinking like most people in this world just to do what I'm doing. I chased music, college, hustling, careers, and different entrepreneurial ventures, and I gambled on investments because I wanted freedom, not clout, not attention, just freedom. And I've been fired from a six-figure income producing job that took me 2 years to get. I've had 6 figures in crypto stolen from my account in seconds, gone, like it was nothing. I built businesses that work and businesses that broke my pockets. And this is the truth that most people won't tell you. Having money while lacking discipline exposes you. Why you think so many professional athletes go broke after making millions of dollars? It's lack of financial discipline. So on February 17th, 2020, I hit rock bottom, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. I was done relying on willpower, done numbing my pain with alcohol, done trying to control everything myself. I surrendered my life to God, not to religion or perfection or church, but to obedience I discovered from reading the Bible. And that's what changed how I live and eventually how I trade. Now, day trading wasn't my first, second, or third option, but it became my final realization. It's the simplest business model I've ever seen. No employees, no clients, no politics, and no overhead besides my trading tools and broker fees. Just God, me, rules, execution, and accountability. Now, I trade $2 to $10 stocks. I risk up to 1% of my trading account per day and focused on consistency, not some crazy risky trades for dopamine spikes. Faith and Fortitude is not about big green days. It's about having faith over fear, following rules over emotion, and following the process over ego, and having consistency over confidence or lack of confidence. Becoming profitable forced me to become better as a husband, as a father, and as a man of God. And that's what we teach here. On this channel, you're gonna see trading tutorials, live trading and recaps, mindset and discipline training, real stories, wins and losses, some prayer, and a little music. No alerts, no signals, and no fake success, just real structure. And if you're serious about learning how to trade the right way, subscribe and drop a link in the comments to let me know you made it to the end. Download my free F&F Trading Rules checklist below and watch the next video where I break down my exact risk management framework. Welcome to Faith and Fortitude Trading. Let's get to work.
What's free? Free is when you stay home with your kids and you live it how you get it. You don't get it how you live. What's free? Free is when you travel with your wife anywhere, day or night, reap the benefits of life. What's free? Free is when your vision is